today is November the 26th. So if you're watching this video, happy belated Thanksgiving, because this will go up after Thanksgiving. But I'm up. It's pretty early in the morning. It's about 6:52. I've been up since about 5, you guys. Hold on. Let me get back from out here. My kitchen lights are warm, so they just changed the whole lot. So anyways, I'm up early because I'm getting ready to cook today. I'm making the mac and cheese for my family. This is my first year making it for Thanksgiving. I make my macaroni a little different than like the normal or the traditional black baked macaroni and cheese. Those of you who are Caribbean, you all know that we like to put peppers in our food. I'll be adding green peppers to my baked mac and cheese. That's just how I grew up eating it. Super tasty. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on that. Let me show you all. So the spacing in these apartments are not that good. So I'm standing in my living room right now, and as you guys can see, I had to put the tree in like the dining / kitchen area or walkway, but it's okay. This is just temporary for this year, and that's another reason why I didn't get a taller tree, because I didn't want the space to look that much more cramped or tight. So yes, this is about maybe a 5-foot tree, I think. Not sure. I picked this up from Big Lots a few years ago. It already comes pre-lit and flocked, so I do like that. I had the bar cart in that area, so I just pushed the bar cart to sit at the end of the table. I don't know what else I'm going to do for decor around the house. I may change out the centerpiece on this table and do something more, I guess, Christmas appropriate. Once I actually decorate the tree, I'll come and show you all how I bring this tree to life, because it looks a little Charlie Brownish right now, but don't worry. So I'm going to go ahead and basically start to boil my noodles for my macaroni. I'm using elbow noodles. I have 2 boxes of those. I'm going to boil those and start to cut up my green peppers for the macaroni, and then melt the cheese, make the cheese sauce, put it together, put it in the oven, and that's going to be that. About a half a pot of water on here to boil. I've added in some olive oil so the noodles won't stick together, and a few shakes of pink Himalayan salt just to salt the water. I'm going to go ahead and bring this water to a boil and then add in my noodles. One thing I wanted to come and show you all were my press-on nails that I have. Hold on, let me focus. Okay, so here we go. So I wanted to show you all my press-on nails that I ordered. I ordered these from Nails by Kanisha, I believe. These press-ons are super high quality. They're custom fit to my actual nail bed or my nail. So they're a really good fit. Definitely not your average press-on nail. So I will link below or across this video her Instagram information. Like, look at this design. These are custom design, hand painted press-on nails. Like, how pretty. Like, look at this one. These 2 are my favorite. These 2 designs, so pretty. I really am in love with these nails. I can't wait to order my next set. So yeah, check her out if you're in the market for press-on nails. So I've diced up all of the bell pepper. This is 1 whole bell pepper. It's starting to boil, so I have my 2 packs of noodles here. I'll add these in once the water boils. They'll stick together. And I'll probably let these boil for, I don't know, like 10 minutes. I never really time my noodles. I just know when they're done. So I'm gonna let these boil for 8 to 10 minutes, however long it takes for your noodles to boil. And then, yeah. While these are boiling, I'm going to start to melt my cheese down for my cheese sauce. Okay, you guys, not too sure if I like the bar cart right here. I feel like it's too close together to like my couch and then the table and then the tree. I don't know where else I would put this. If I move this, I would have to move it into my makeup room over there. But thankfully, the tree is only blocking the closet to like the AC unit and the water heater, I guess. So we don't too much need to access that. So I could put the bar cart back right there. Let's see how that looks. So this is how it looks if I were to sit it in front of this door. But not that bad. It gives more space here, as you all can see, leading from out our room. But I don't know, I guess I'll bring it back right here. And then let me show you how it looks from this way. I feel like it clashes this way. So I think I'll move it back to the end of the table. Let me know what you all think below. Okay, so I put it back right there at the end of the table. I kind of like it better right here as far as the look of everything. I don't like the space that it takes up, but it's okay. So that's how it looks. Finished the macaroni and cheese. I just put it in the oven, covered with aluminum foil to bake on 350. So what I'm going to do now before I do my makeup is to clean these dishes now that I messed up. So I'm going to get to doing that. Hey you guys, so I just finished recording this look. I actually recorded it. Hopefully, I hope I don't have lipstick on my, I kissed Hakeem and his lips are burning. I used a Buxom gloss, you guys. I love the Buxom glosses. They're the full-on plumping lip creams. This is in the shade Dolly. Pretty popular shade. Picked it up from Ulta, so I just have that topped on my lips. And I kissed Hakeem, so his lips are tingling. But the macaroni is finished. Let it bake a little bit too long, but it looks pretty good. It's just chilling right here. When I get to my mom's and when we eat and everything, I'll show y'all how it looks. But yeah, I'm really feeling my face. I have on all cream foundation, you guys. I normally do liquid foundation on myself and then cream foundation on my brides. I decided to do a cream foundation look today because it's just soft and pretty, and this blonde hair that I have in, I didn't want anything too harsh. So that's it. I really want to pull out my Christmas decor so that I can start decorating my tree. Hold on, y'all. I think I'm gonna pull that out maybe later today once we get back and just go through what I have. But let me show you all what I'm wearing today. I wore this when we went to LA. This is a dress I picked up from H&M, I believe. Yeah, this is from H&M. I picked this up in the size large. Really cute baby doll dress, floral print. It is a floral print. I think it's pretty cute for Thanksgiving. Something flowy, something that's roomy. I don't want anything on that's too tight. I want to be able to eat and still feel comfortable in my clothes. So I'll be wearing this. I have some shoes from Shein. Let me turn this way. I have some shoes from Shein that I could possibly put on, but I'm just going to my mom's house, so it's really not that serious. I may put on some of my Louis Vuitton shoes. Hakeem got me some Louis Vuitton sandals over the summer for our, was that for our anniversary? I don't know. It was like a little bit after our anniversary. So I've probably worn them all of 2 times since I've had them. So I live in South Florida. The weather is good for sandals year round, honestly. So I think I'm gonna pull those out. So let me show y'all those. Hold on. Okay, so that's better. So yes, I keep them in the box. So there, see, I've worn them twice. I wore them when we went to LA, and then just recently, I think, when we went out. These are the sandals. So this is the only thing. They're black. This definitely has a little bit of black in it, but I feel like that's pushing it too much. I still may wear them because they're comfortable, and hey, I'm just going to my mom's house. If I don't wear those, let me show you the other shoes I have to wear. Okay, so if I don't wear those, I do have these. And of course, you guys are going to say these are much better options. So I'll definitely go with these. And I have a cute bag to go with it. But this just seems super dressy. Like, I'm not trying to be all that dressed up to sit in the living room. Even though they're just sandals, but I don't know. I don't know what I'll do. Whatever I'll do, I'll come and show y'all what I decide on once I put it on. Hey you guys, so I just made it to my mom's house. Say hi to my little sister. Come. So we have a table full of food here. Rice. I think this is corn. I'm not sure what this is. What's this, my ham? Yeah. Ham. Cake. My little sister's birthday was yesterday. Let's see if I did it yesterday. 2 days ago. How are you doing? Hi. Sorry. My mom's frying chicken. I don't know what's in here. We have some stuff in the oven. Cake. My niece made a cake. What kind of cake is this? Chocolate and vanilla. I like bananas.
Okay, what else?
Grapes.
Oh, you like watermelons?
I love watermelon.
I like them too.
How about mangoes?
Mangoes?
Yes.
I like them.
I love mangoes.
Me too. We have some at our other grandma's house, and it grows at our other tree.
She has a mango tree?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
And my mom has what's it called? Those green things that have big seeds in them.
Avocados?
Yeah, Mom has a avocado tree.
Really?
Yes.
I like avocados.
I don't like avocado.
I didn't know you guys had an avocado tree.
Oh, but I don't like avocado. But I don't know what I was gonna say.
Alright, y'all. I will come back to you guys once. Probably when I get back home.
Subscribe to the video and make sure to give a thumbs up.